All right, I was talking to my friend Tracy and a couple of Randy Oliver's helpers, the guy that invented the shaker. He and his wife, super nice. Right now we're all kind of split up, going our own way, looking around. This is where I wanted to come and see what I need to spend my money on. And I do, okay, now I know. Now I know what I want to spend my money on. But I don't know if it's that specific one, but I like the top bars. Just for the art. All right, top. It's like a top frame Peter. Not a. Sorry, buddy. Swarm traps. A lot of boxes here. Let's go look at the. Let's go look at the equipment here. I see John walking around somewhere. Super nice guy. Of course, everybody knows that. Oh. I'm not in the Hillco country anymore. Big escapes, I like those. This is where I want to go. Back out to the front of the Hillco display. All right, so this is I've got this from Hillco.